Welcome to the CJ Dropshipping Importer Guide. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the installation process of the CJ Dropshipping Importer and explore its fundamental functionalities. Well, let's get started. To initiate the installation process, commence by logging into the administrative section. Once you've successfully accessed the admin panel, navigate to the extensions menu situated on the left-hand side. From there, proceed to the installer section. Click on the designated upload icon located at the top right corner. Select the zip file of the extension and initiate the upload process. Upon completing the upload, you will find the CJ Dropshipping Importer listed among your extensions. To finalize the installation, click on the install icon situated on the right. Once installed, navigate to the main menu on the left-hand side and click the Extensions link. Then from the drop-down menu, select Other. You will find the CJ Dropshipping Importer extension. Then click the plus green install icon, and then click the pencil icon to configure it. When configuring the settings, ensure the status is set to Enabled. Enter your email, which should match the one used for your CJ Dropshipping platform login. Next, fill in the API token field with your CJ Dropshipping token. You can locate this token in your CJ Dropshipping account or by following the provided link to access that specific section. After completing the configuration, click the Save icon. A new menu will appear at the bottom of the main left menu. Click it to expand. Within this menu, you'll find three main sections. The Orders section houses all orders requiring CJ Dropshipping fulfillment. At the top, you can view your wallet details on CJ Dropshipping, including the available balance, no withdrawal amount, and frozen amount. These values mirror your CJ Dropshipping platform balances. In the Products section, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the products you've imported through CJ Dropshipping. In the Import section, you can either paste the product URL from CJ Dropshipping to import a product manually, or find your import list if you are a Chrome user with the CJ Dropshipping extension. Let's take a peek at the Chrome extension. When visiting each product page on CJ Dropshipping, right next to the main CJ Dropshipping buttons, you'll find a new button labeled Add to Vento Cart. Clicking this button adds the product to your import list. Later, all you need to do is go back to your admin panel, navigate to CJ Dropshipping Import, or simply hit refresh if you were already there. As you can see, our importer now houses a list of all the products we clicked the Add to Vento Cart button for. You can select a product to import and simply click the Next button to proceed with the importation process. Now, let's explore the manual import process. Visit CJ Dropshipping, choose a product, and open its page. Be sure to copy the full URL of that product. After copying the URL, return to the importer, paste the URL, and simply click Next to proceed with the importation. After the product has been identified by the importer, you can view all the available variations offered by your supplier. This includes the regular price and the retail price, which represents your price with your specified margin. Feel free to edit the retail price as you see fit. In the Add section, you can selectively check or uncheck which variations you want to include in the import. Moving to the bottom of the page, you can choose a category for your store and input shipping, warehouse, and inventory information. It's crucial to select a Ships From option, as this warehouse inventory information will be used by default. Additionally, you can choose a Ships To option for informational purposes, checking which countries and at what shipping costs the product will be available. There are also various self-explanatory pricing options at the bottom. If there are videos provided for free by the supplier, a checkbox will appear to include these videos, allowing them to be downloaded and integrated into your own product listing. After you've configured your pricing preferences and completed all necessary details, simply click Next, and a progress bar will appear. If you've chosen to include videos, this process may take longer. In general, the import duration is influenced by the total number of pictures and videos associated with the product. And there you have it. Our product has been successfully imported. Take a moment to ensure that everything checks out, and feel free to make any additional edits to the product if needed. Now, let's proceed to check the product in our store. The importer has seamlessly injected styles and JavaScript into the product, enhancing the overall look and feel of the options. This ensures that only available inventory is selectable, preventing clients from choosing out-of-stock products. Now let's simulate a demo order to illustrate how received orders appear in our importer. Navigate to Dropshipping and then the CJ Dropshipping Orders menu. You'll find the order tagged as Not Send to CJ. Simply click the Place Order button to send it to the CJ platform, select a shipping option for the order, and then click Send Order. Once done, you can click Confirm. This will automatically send the order with the client's address options and details for fulfillment by the CJ seller. Now let's head to our CJ Dropshipping account to confirm that it is indeed there and ready for fulfillment by the seller. As you can see, the order has been successfully fulfilled in our CJ account for fulfillment. Upon checking the details for our client, everything appears to be in order. However, please note that on this presentation demo account, I don't have any funds, so the order will appear as unpaid. Let's proceed to delete that order and go back to check its status. As you can observe, its status has also changed to trash on our own store, syncing seamlessly with CJ Dropshipping. And that concludes the fundamentals of our importer. Now let's shift our focus to the shipping add-in. This essential tool retrieves data from the CJ API, providing shipping costs and estimated delivery dates. It seamlessly integrates this information into the checkout process, offering clients a range of shipping options to choose from. The installation process remains consistent. Begin by clicking Extensions, then Installer, and choose Upload to select the extension's zip file. Once the installation is complete, navigate to the Extensions link in the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Shipping. In the Shipping section, locate the CJ Dropshipping Shipping extension. Click the Install icon, and then proceed to click the pencil icon to configure its settings. The Replace CJ Packet input provides you with the flexibility to brand the shipping options with your own label, allowing you to replace the default CJ Packet word with your preferred branding. In the Preferred Shipping Option menu, you have the ability to choose a preferred shipping method. When this method is available for a client's order and preferred only is enabled, the client will be restricted to selecting only that method. If the preferred option is not available at all for the client, they will be presented with the available shipping methods. In the Flat Rate section, you have the option to set a flat rate. This flat rate applies when a client's cart contains both CJ products and third-party products. The flat rate is individually applied for each third-party product and is summed up with the shipping cost of each CJ product in their cart. The Auto-Fulfill option empowers the system to initiate fulfillment as soon as the order reaches the specified status, set by the Order Status to Fulfill parameter. This can be configured to complete or paid depending on your payment settings and workflow preferences. With this automation in place, once the order is paid, it will be seamlessly received by the supplier and shipped automatically, eliminating the need for manual intervention. The Combine AliExpress Fees feature eliminates the need for using the AliExpress shipping add-on. This functionality enables the extension to seamlessly handle and aggregate both AliExpress shipping fees and CJ shipping fees when a client's cart contains a mix of products from AliExpress suppliers and CJ suppliers. After configuring these settings to your preferences, change the status to Enabled, and then click the Save icon at the top to apply and save your changes. Now, let's proceed to make a demo order to observe how the shipping options are presented to the client. As you can see, the client has a range of available options sourced from the CJ API. This ensures accurate costs and provides flexibility for the client, reducing overpricing in products. It empowers the client to choose based on their specific needs, ultimately minimizing abandoned carts and contributing to increased sales. Fantastic! Our order has been placed and is set to be auto-fulfilled. Let's navigate to the admin panel to check its status. As you can see, the order has been successfully placed on the CJ platform as well. It indicates a status of unpaid, which is expected since this demo CJ account doesn't hold any funds and is created solely for demonstration purposes. From the admin panel, you can review the shipping options selected by the client for the order. In our CJ account, everything checks out and the order is in the fulfillment section. That concludes our exploration of the CJ Dropshipping Importer and Shipping add-in. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful in understanding the seamless integration and automation features available to optimize your dropshipping experience. Thank you for choosing Vento products, and we wish you success in your e-commerce ventures. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy dropshipping!